10 things to know about Ruby. Ruby is used for server-side web development. This means that Ruby can be used to build web applications that run on a server and are accessed by users through a web browser. Ruby has a clean and elegant syntax. This means that Ruby code is designed to be easy to read and write, which can make it easier for developers to understand and modify each other's code. Ruby is dynamically typed. This means that Ruby does not require developers to specify variable types in advance, which can make it easier to write code quickly. Ruby is an interpreted language. This means that Ruby code is executed line by line by a software program called the Ruby interpreter, rather than being compiled into machine code beforehand. Ruby has a large and active community. This means that there are many developers, companies, and organizations using and contributing to the Ruby programming language, as well as a wide variety of resources and tools available for Ruby development. Ruby has a rich set of libraries and frameworks, including Ruby on Rails. This means that Ruby developers have access to many pre-written pieces of code that can be used to perform common tasks, such as handling web requests or interacting with databases. Ruby is often used in startups and small businesses. This means that Ruby is a popular choice for companies that are just starting out or are working on smaller projects, due to its ease of use and productivity features. Ruby is easy to learn for beginners. This means that Ruby has a relatively simple syntax and many resources available for people who are new to programming to learn the language. Ruby is designed to optimize programmer happiness and productivity. This means that Ruby is built with the goal of making programming a more enjoyable and efficient experience for developers, by focusing on things like code readability and developer ergonomics. Ruby has a strong focus on code readability and maintainability. This means that Ruby code is designed to be easy to understand and modify, which can help make it easier to maintain over time. We hope you enjoyed this brief overview of Ruby. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this.